Hello, I'm Naomi and today I'm going to be planting some Fritillaria imperialis bulbs. Crown Imperials they're also called, and they are perfect for planting in a border like this. They look great growing in big groups where they can make a big impact. They're a big plant with really lovely bright flowers. This is the red variety, 𝗂𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. It's really lovely. The size of the bulbs, they are really huge, and they've got these long roots which come off them and a strange smell. So I'm going to plant them here in this bed which I've just prepared. They're ideal for planting in full sun. They can cope with partial shade as well. And you plant them in autumn and they'll flower from around March the following year. There we go. So plant one bulb per hole. I'll dig a nice deep hole because these bulbs are big. There we go. And I'll just pop that one in. You can see which side is the side at the top because it has the roots almost look like they're coming out the top actually, but you can see the flakes, these sides here, almost like petals pointing upwards, and underneath it's got a sort of concave side with some roots coming out the bottom. And I just pop that in and cover it back over. That's that one done. I'm going to plant 5 in a nice big group. So I'll just put that one there. Okay. They come wrapped in a bag with this shredded paper as well. Helps keep them fresh and helps keep them well protected. And there we go, that's the last 2. Rainy days aren't much fun for gardening, but they're great for planting. The bulbs will be perfectly happy. They're fully hardy, so they don't need any winter protection. The soil's nice and wet at this time of year, so you don't need to water them in. Looks like it might pour down with rain any moment. So I'll quickly put that one in. And that's them done. There's nothing else you need to do. Just wait for spring and you'll have this lovely, lovely display of big, bold flowers. Thank you for watching my video.